How to fix Steam games not launching. First is by opening your Chrome right here, and then you need to go to help.steampower.com and search your problem. So I have searched the problem right here, and they suggested that if you're a Windows user, you need to search for update right here and make sure that your Windows is up to date. You need to click on check for updates and install the updates once you have it. And then, if it still doesn't work, then you should also update drivers from your computer. For example, if you have the NVIDIA GeForce right here, make sure to click on it, go to drivers, and then click on check for updates right here, and make sure to click on Express installation or install. And then you may also read through all of this, follow these different steps right here, and then that should fix your problem. So if you are also a Linux user, you may read on this one, or if you are a Mac user, you may read on this one as well. So there you go. That's how you can fix Steam games not launching.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.